Hey guys, I know I've been gone a long time, but I'm back with a regular tutorial. I know I've been gone for so long, my only excuse is the mockumentary, and I was traveling. We had 2 weddings in 2 different parts of Australia, and then I had to go have early Christmas with my family and celebrate my birthday down in Bateman's Bay where my family lives, because we're going to Canada for Christmas next week. Like, this time of year is so hectic. Anyway, I wanted to do a nice natural makeup tutorial, and after this I'm also going to do my hair care routine. You guys always ask me about that, so that's coming soon as well. Before I get into the look, which is going to be a natural glowy look, I wanted to give away the Too Faced Diamond Light. So if you're part of my notification squad, which means you are subscribed and have the notification bell on, leave a comment within the first 12 hours and I'll pick someone as the winner. I just pin the comment and ask the winner for their details. So yeah, the comment can be about just your thoughts on the video or whatever you want. Okay, so skincare is very important to this. Last night I used a face mask. I used the new Summer Fridays one. And then this morning I had a shower, cleansed my skin, and then I used my Henriksen Truth line after my Erborian toner. This is all I've got on my skin, as well as my SPF, which today I actually used CoverFX. So, but first, coffee. Now, I received this recently thanks to Mecca. It is the By Terry Brightening Serum. This is a limited edition one, but they do have a regular shade. This one goes well with me. Just watch how it makes your skin glow. It's pricey being By Terry, but it's so beautiful. And then I'll take Tarte Clean Slate just to this area here, patting that into my ginormous pores. No, they're not that bad actually, because I had a facial this week. I've started going to this new clinic called Amarova Clinic. It's much closer to my house, and it's still my same therapist that I've been going to for the past 3 years, because she moved there. So I wanted to stay with her because she's so good. I get the phyto peels. It really helps to clear up my skin. I had so many breakouts. You can see the carcasses of those. But it really helps. They're completely flat now, so you won't see them when I've got my foundation on, which is what's most important to me. I don't like it when they're raised. Wow, feels good to sit down with you guys. Another product, now this is an old favorite of mine, but I'd had my other ones for like 4 years. I think I did a sponsorship with this brand in 2015, so probably over 3 years. So the foundation was like off, but they just sent me like a huge multi-level thing of the foundations, like all the colors, and I think I'm gonna go for this color. I think it looks good for me. It is a number 2.12. Beauty blender. Okay, I think it's gonna be good. Move my collet earrings out of the way and dab, dab, dab. For eyebrows, I'll use my trusty Precisely My Brow Pencil. It's always a good one for nice natural brows. So I'm just doing really light upwards hair-like strokes. Then once I get here, kind of straighten it out. Oops. My Benefit Ready Set Brow. This has got like a little flat side where the product kind of sits. So I use that to just swipe it over the brows first, and then I flip it so that the comb side can comb it right through. A product I love is the Magic Smokey Powder Shadow Stick from Estee Lauder. They have quite a few colors, and it literally feels like charcoal, which might not seem pleasant, but it's very soft. I don't know how they get it like that actually. It really feels like a charcoal texture. I just put it on like that, and then I can use my brush. It blends out so easily. And this is just a flat shader brush, so it's not even a blender brush. But it just blends out so well. And then Linda Hallberg's has these really nice eyeliners. This one's called Spahr Flash, and it's brown and sparkly. Drawing that into the outer lash line, kind of wedging up, blending it out with that same brush I used to blend the eyeshadow, just so that they melt in. Then I'll take my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Love this stuff. Take this iconic London brush, which nestles under my eyes so nicely. How's about an amazing mascara now? Let's take BadGal Bang. Now I've had my lashes lifted, so they're already like naturally curled. So this is my first time putting mascara on since I got it done yesterday. I'm anticipating an amazing result. Like they already are tinted, so there's like already a nice base. But I think they're gonna look amazing with mascara. Yes. Honestly, getting lash lifts, it's so good. And my tip is to tell your technician to do a natural one, like not really high, because then they sit naturally like that rather than like straight up, which I don't think looks that natural. Plus then I can't get fake lashes on top. And then I like to use the Pixi Lower Lash Mascara because it's just so much lighter. This never clumps, and I don't want really intense mascara under my eyes anyway because it tends to drag your eye down. I'm gonna contour my nose. I know that looks intense right now. I'm just gonna leave it for a minute and then I'll dust it off later. I think I need a bit of contouring, don't you think? But I'm not gonna use that. This is the Nude Stix Nudies Tinted Blur. So easy to blend in. I really like that. And it makes your skin look really good in those areas that you put it. I definitely needed like just a small bit of color there, don't you think? Because I'm very pale right now. Going to Canada for Christmas, so I'm trying to get my skin in really good condition before I go, like my body skin included, because my skin, when I go into that cold weather and then not the aircon, the indoor heating, oh my god, it does not want to be there. So I'm trying to keep it really hydrated and moist and like clear and everything before we go, because otherwise I'm gonna have a bad time, I know it. Now I need some blush, and I'm going to take my Lancome Cushion Blush. I'm gonna take the Lancome Cushion Blush Subtle. Wow, I tell you what, man, when you're pale, I think blush is key. Because you know, don't want to look dead. Okay, the other thing I wanted to use was this. I pre-prepared it, the highlighter from Milk. You guys, so good. I just like the color, the texture, the finish, the wear. This stuff is so bomb.com. So pretty. Then for my lips, I still love the NARS Orgasm lip balm. It's so pretty. Oh, I really like my makeup like this, and I don't think I've done a natural glowy makeup look since I've been pale, because I haven't been in the sun at all and I haven't been fake tanning, so this is my natural skin tone, I guess. So good to be back, you guys. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to enter the contest by leaving a comment. And if you're not already a member of the notification squad, please subscribe and like the video. Thanks guys, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.